Welcome to Erebus Motorsport. Will and I will be your host today, and we'll take you through a tour of our lovely workshop we have here.
So we're currently at the reception here at Erebus, so got a few cool things in here. Obviously a fair few of the trophies that they've won, surfboard over the back. Some pretty cool stuff in here actually when you have a bit of a look around. This is I think the boardroom, do we call it?
Yeah, this is our where we do most of our meetings. This is Paul, our lovely commercial manager.
Boardroom.
And then we have our boardroom where we do our debriefs and pre-briefs. We've got our lovely people in here. Shannon.
B1 looks very impressed
and Jess.
Right now. Look at him.
And we'll take us into our engineering room. So this is where all of our go fast bits get made, and where our engineers try to stay sane.
Yep.
Tom, cover your screen. Hide all the secrets.
So through here, straight into the workshop where the cars are. So we're just currently getting all ready to head to Sandown. So there's a bit of a mess, but my car's getting stickered right now.
So we've got to hide that, don't we?
Yeah, got to hide that a little bit, but new car for this round, which isn't probably a good thing, but it's exciting to have it all repaired and ready to go.
Well, it's not repaired.
Well, it's true, it's not repaired, it's just a new chassis.
And then we've got the wizard himself, Jimmy, at the back there.
Yep.
He's a bit of a unicorn. They don't make people like him anymore.
Yeah.
He actually got Will's car back onto the track, so he's over there with the goggles on. So, Jimmy, we're doing a tour of the workshop.
Oh, nice.
So we just introduced you as the unicorn, but they don't make people like you anymore. And we got Mads here at the back here. I'm not quite sure what he's working on, but I'm sure it's something important. So we'll let these guys get back to work, and we'll take them through to the garage.
Cool, sounds good. So yeah, pretty much Erebus also started up during the end of last year, the Erebus garage. So where they can do full restorations, services, which is pretty cool. You get to bring your road car into the Erebus garage. So, they've got a Falcon here they're working on. It's obviously broken down. But
really? You've got no tray on it?
That happens. It's a Falcon. And then we've got they're doing a restoration on this truck over here. So it's actually Scott Pye's, and it's going to be, probably 6 months of work. And Jimmy, who you just met in there, will do all of that. So it'll come up pretty cool. It'll be cool to show everyone once it's done what the Erebus garage can actually do. I think that's what they're hoping to get into. And then we've got all the front bars. So I'm sure a few of mine will be up there this year. Some pretty cool stuff around. We've also got a sim room, which we might go show you. That's pretty cool. There's the dunny.
Yeah, there's the bunny. This is Will's favourite room, this one.
Favourite room. This thing.
Bust her open, Will.
So this is the sim room where all the magic happens. Yeah, it's pretty advanced simulator, this thing. So they were doing a lot of training on it for young kids, and I'm sure we'll still do that throughout the year. Anyone that wants to, young kids that want to get a bit of training, come in and help them out on this thing. So yeah, pretty cool piece of equipment.
And gives us a bit of an insight of the rounds coming up, and we get to do some laps on the tracks coming up, which is also pretty cool. So
I generally get annoyed because Brody's like a wizard on this thing, and I'm like not at all. So I just rage quit.
This is where the boss lives.
Yep.
Up here, so this
got
is where generally Will and I get called to these.
Yeah.
We get told to sit down here.
You get called here. You don't come. You get scared. Nah, I'm joking.
Alrighty, well, that's a tour of Erebus. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys at the racetrack.